Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with a little bit of a different style video. I'm hoping this kind of helps y'all out for Black Friday sales coming up at CVS and Rite Aid. I'm just going to do a video of what I'm doing, what I'm planning on getting, and how I plan on going to the store and organizing it. Because I know these Black Friday sales, I've had quite a few of you say, I'm new, this is my first Black Friday. And it's really important to be organized with this so that you will succeed. So yeah, first up, I decided I'm going to be going to CVS and Rite Aid. I'm so excited. Black Friday sales at the drugstores. You usually wouldn't think as a non-couponer the drugstores are a good place, but they're literally my favorite place ever for Black Friday. Don't get me wrong, some of the other stores have good deals also, but the drugstores just are amazing for Black Friday. And they run tons of get free items after rewards promos, so it's really important to know what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. Because around here, they've never really been, but your store potentially could have more people shopping than usual. I don't know. It all depends. There's been years I've gone to the CVS and there's been a line around the store. And then there's been other years that no one's been there. So I'm not sure how it'll be this year. I'm hoping not bad. But yeah. So how to get through this quickly. Number one, I'm going to tell you what I did today. I went to CVS and I did a walkthrough. I went to Rite Aid also and did a walkthrough. I just went through the store with all the list of stuff I wanted to get. I found it in the store, found the aisle it's in, and I wrote it down. But what I decided to do to make this easier on myself was I made a Word document list with the snippets of the ad. As you can see here, like I snipped the ad and put this in a Word document. So when I'm in the store, it's like having the ad with me, but I don't have to sit and flip through the ad looking for stuff. It's right here. And I have this list organized in the order that I'm planning on going in the store. So that is really important. And I thought about the walkthrough idea. Let me give you her name. She was really nice to give me a suggestion. They both gave me some good Black Friday suggestions. It was Gaming Mom 78. She said go through the day before and do a walkthrough and finding the items that you want. And she said they can be in weird places. And your store potentially could move some of these things around as well. So that's another good tip. You never know what they'll do. My store had end cap displays with some stuff on it, so that's important to know. And then also, Karen gave me a suggestion that they could have early activation. Around here, we've never had early activation for Black Friday sales, but that could vary by region. Some of you may luck out and get early activation at CVS or Black Friday. So I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to share with you how I prepared for CVS. And another thing I've done is I've also got a pencil pouch thing that I'm going to use. I put all my coupons in it, and I will paper clip. I'll have two separate paper clips, and I'll have a different paper clip for each transaction. So I hope that makes sense. That's what I'm going to do. I have my extra care card in it, my ECBs. I'll have organized what I'm using on each transaction and everything just to keep it pretty simple. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. First thing in the store, I noticed today when I did my walkthrough, the Wayland slippers, they're right at the front of the store. So that's the first thing that is going in my cart, the Wayland slippers. And I will do my extra care card. I will scan my CVS card. And I will make a note of that, but I'll probably do that at the end. I'd rather just gather up the items first because I do want the CRTs, but I don't want stuff to sell out. And then I will grab one of the CVS facial masks. I put the aisle down. And then here, to make it visually pleasing for myself, the Schick Hydro Silk Hydro 3 or Hydro 5. I needed to put down that it's the Hydro 5 that I'm getting, so I don't pick up the wrong one. The Hydro 5 is $7.99. I have a $5 CRT and a $2 manufacturer's coupons. I know any coupons, so I'm going to pay $1.99 and get back $6 in extra bucks. I actually didn't notate that on my my transaction plans. I will have to go back and scratch that out. It doesn't really mess anything up, but I only thought you were getting back a $5 ECB. So that's awesome there. Oh, and I forgot to say this CVS mask is $1.87. You get $1.87 back. Then, since it's in the same aisle, I'm going to grab this Beauty 360 or Blade 2 disposable razor. That's $1.99. It's right there in the same aisle, so I wanted to make sure I picked it up at the same time. Then I'm going to head over to the hair area, aisle 8, and I'm going to grab the Conair hair appliance. That is $10, giving back a $5 extra buck. And then at the aisle, not too far away from it, I'm going to grab the Kleenex, which is 3 for $4. There's going to be $1 off 3 send a card coupon, and then you get $1 back in ECBs when you buy 3. So it makes it $2 for 3 of them, which is an awesome deal. Then from there, I'm going to go to the baby aisle. I'm going to CVS Baby Wipes 20 count. That's 99 cents. And see, I notated the aisle, so I'm not. There's been years I've done this. I couldn't find stuff. Like the last few years I've done this. This is the first year I've been this organized. I would run all over the store trying to get stuff, and I'd be forgetting things. And this is going to help me so much having it laid out this easy. And then I'm going to go grab the CVS panty liners 20 count that are 99 cents. Those are in the next aisle over in aisle 12. And keep in mind, they could have end caps, these things. I just planned on doing it this way. If they have an end cap, this is subject to change, I guess. I'm going to also grab a CVS acetaminophen in the next aisle, the 24 count, and it is $3.19. Then I noticed today during my walkthrough, there was an end cap display that had these green giant vegetables over right by the toilet paper. So I'm going to grab it while I'm there on my way to the toilet paper. 1 can of those is $1.89. You get $1.89 back in extra bucks. Then I'm going to go down the toilet paper aisle and grab one of the the Basics bathroom tissue, 89 cents. It's in aisle 2. And then I'm also going to grab a Just the Basics single roll of the paper towels, which is 99 cents, and that's in aisle 2. Then I'm also going to grab the Palmolive 20 to 25 ounce, $2.49, aisle 2. And then there's $1.50 CRT, so I noted that. And I'm also going to grab a Wrigley's gum that's 99 cents, and that's at the front. So here is how I went ahead and notated it. And let me make the screen a little bigger so I can show you all better detail. All right, so here is my first transaction. If I can get it straightened out. Hold on a second. Okay, here we go. So I decided I'm going to do 2 transactions to best do the ECBs. My first transaction, I'm going to grab a CVS facial mask. Oh, and I just want to point out, I did this in Excel. Excel is my favorite thing ever, but you could do this on pen and paper. You know, I'm pretty Excel savvy. As an accounting major, you know how to use Excel. You use Excel for just about a lot of stuff. So it makes my life easier. But if you don't know how to use Excel, by all means, you can just do this on paper. So in the first transaction, I'm grabbing a CVS facial mask, a Schick Hydro 5 razor, a Blade 2 disposable razor, a Conair hair appliance, one of the CVS baby wipes, one of the CVS panty liners, one of the CVS acetaminophen, one of that Just the Basics paper towels, one of the Just the Basics the Just the Basics toilet paper, then the Just the Basics paper towels, and a Palmolive. So here I noted the coupons I'm using. I'm only using I'm using 1 manufacturer coupon and 2 CVS coupons along with my ECBs. So after my paper coupons, it should be $22.89 plus $2.28 in tax, bringing it to $25.17. I'm going to use $22.89 in ECBs. I currently have $23 in ECBs, but one of them will just reduce itself down. So that'll make my final out-of-pocket price just the sales tax of $2.28, and I'll actually get back $21.91 because I miscounted the Schick, which was a bummer. That's okay. I will get back more than that, so that's phenomenal. So $2.28 on that, and then I'm going to go down to transaction 2. I'm going to grab one of these Wayland memory foam slippers at $4.88. I'm going to grab 3 of the Kleenex at $4. I'm going to grab one of those green giant vegetables at $1.89. And one of the Orbit gums at 99 cents. So that brings my subtotal to $10.76 and 64 cents tax. I currently have 2 beauty bucks from previous times at CVS that I'm going to use. So I'll throw that in there. I'm going to use the $1.87 CVS mask ECB. I'm going to use the $1.99 Blade 2 razor ECB. And then I'm going to use a 99, just any of those 99-cent ECBs. And that'll reduce itself down to 90 cents to even itself out. So that'll just leave me with an out-of-pocket price of 64 cents. So my total out-of-pocket for all this stuff should be $2.92, including my sales tax. And I'm actually going to leave with $20.94 in ECBs, which I think is phenomenal. That is definitely a little bit of a step down from what I had. I did have more than that. Definitely had more. I think I had $30, so I'm going to leave it a little bit less. But I'm happy with it because I'm getting things that we need, like the Kleenex and the slippers and the Palmolive and just things that we can use, and the curling iron. That's phenomenal to me to walk out of CVS paying $2.94 or $2.92. You just can't beat that. It's a phenomenal price. So that is my CVS plans. I am excited to do it. I think it's going to be great. Be sure to check out my Rite Aid video. I really hope this helped you out. And thank you so much for watching.